Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. This is your host Bharat, and today we're going to be checking out the Kapova twin wireless earphones. Let's check this out. If you're new to Tech Matrix, this is Bharat, and we unbox, review, and do plenty of giveaways on anything tech. So subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified for all the new videos and giveaways. The Kapova TWS earphones cost 1990 INR for India, but you can get them at Lightning deals and other deals, so check the description to get the best ones available at the moment. The packaging is pretty good and comes in a cardboard box which is black matte color and has some details of the earphones on the back. The quality of the packaging is solid. Inside you get the Kapova TWS earphones inside a charging case. You also get two extra pairs of ear tips, a short micro USB charging cable, and a user manual is present as well. Now let's take a look at the Kapova charging case first. The case is made of black matte plastic and they are pocket friendly and weighs just 39 grams including the earphones. First you will need to remove the stickers at the back of the charging pins on each earphone and put them back for charging or switching on. The earphone pins have a magnetic lock in place. Unlike other earphones, you just need to place the pods and it will lock in place. The case also has a micro USB port at the back which will allow you to charge the case, which has a large 600 mAh lithium ion battery inbuilt and charges in close to 2 hours from zero. Both earphones have 50 mAh lithium ion battery on each, which gives you a playtime of 4 to 6 hours on each charge and a total of 5 charges using the case. There's also a charging indicator at the back to know the status of charge. Next, let's take a look at the earphones. This is unlike other earphones which has a slant angle to the fit. It is just not for me and just doesn't get into my ear especially that well. The ear tips are short and cone shaped with silicone ear tips which gives a decent fit. The fit is having some gaps but doesn't pop out often with movement. They come with the latest Bluetooth 5 and connecting is pretty simple. Remove both the earphones from the case, then they'll start blinking and connect to each other. Next on your phones now, connect the Kapova P1D and you are good to go. You can also use each earphone separately on two different devices as a mono unit for driving or taking calls or listening to music too. This is a really cool feature which most other earphones miss to have. Just for you to listen, here is the Kapova experience. The audio quality is decent at the price offered. It has a pretty good bass and the audio is overall good, but due to the slightly off fit there is some sound leak, and due to the sound leak the immersive experience is lost. The sound separation is decent and the mids and highs are also good for such a small earbuds. It's a good value if you want to pick this as your car or outdoor earphones. It provides you a good comfort as a pretty lightweight at just 8 grams, which is also one of the lightest earphones that I have reviewed and used. They also come with an inbuilt microphone, and this part of the video has been recorded on the Kapova twin wireless earphones microphone. I hope you can listen to the quality here. The quality is on par with most twin wireless earphones microphone, and I'm just going to be doing a small noise cancellation test by clicking here and there to emulate the environment or a keyboard. It should be slightly audible for you, but the microphone is on par with most of the earphones out there, and I hope you can listen to this and make up your mind based on this now. They also come with stereo call output, which means unlike most other earphones, when you make a call you will hear on both the left and right earphones, and also it's IPX6 water and sweat proof, so you can take it for a run and also in rain without any hassle. One of the downside is the button. Unlike touch controls, these are hard press buttons on each sides of the earphones. Double tap to change songs, triple tap to voice commands, single tap to answer calls. Except the volume adjustments, you have all the needed gestures here. The button sensitivity, however, could have been reduced a bit. If you're looking for a versatile earphones which has individual pairing and waterproofing, then I would suggest you to go for this. So guys, what do you think about the Kapova compact twin wireless earphones? Tell me in the comment sections below. And also hit that like button and subscribe for more such geeky videos. This is your host Bharat, signing out.